Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. The first one, what we should do is to restart audio player. Maybe it's problem of the audio player. So let's say you use Apple Music or Spotify or something else. Just remove it from the cache and open it again. Now check, maybe it fixed your problem. If it doesn't, next one what we should do is to check is you have the last software version. So open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see this menu. Then go to the settings at the right top, and right here you need to click at the firmware version. Then tap at the check now, and it's checking for updates. It said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, install a new one. Next one, what I can recommend it to do. Firstly, is to restart your device. I mean, not the earbuds, but what device you use with your earbuds. So I use a phone, and I should restart the phone. If you use a tablet, I recommend it to restart the tablet. And the last one is to perform a factory reset. So put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that, at the front side, we have this connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light is turned off. It's something like 10 seconds. So just press and hold it. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and next we need to remove these earbuds from the phone. So go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here you need to click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, click Pair New Device after that. And after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. So now we can see it at the device list. We don't need to use connectional button to connect it with the phone. Now tap on it, and if you have Android, also click Pair after that. And we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.